In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share ExpressVPN with family or friends. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. You should not share your main account password with people outside your immediate household because that can lead to security issues and even account locks. The good news is that ExpressVPN does allow you to share your subscription across multiple devices, family members, and roommates using safer built-in options. The first method is using an activation code, which is ideal for laptops and desktop computers. Start by opening a browser and signing in to your ExpressVPN account on the official website. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the section for setting up devices or applications. There you'll find your activation code. Copy that code, then send it through a secure messaging app to the person you want to help. On their PC or Mac, they should install the official ExpressVPN app, open it, choose the option to sign in with an activation code, paste the code, and continue. This gives them access to the app without exposing your account password or billing details. The second method is a passwordless sign in link, which works especially well for someone who is in another location. Have the other person install and open the ExpressVPN app on their computer. They should go to the sign in screen, enter your account email address, and choose the option to receive a sign-in link by email. Then check your inbox for the ExpressVPN sign-in message and forward that email to them. When they open it on their own device and click the sign-in button, the app should authenticate securely and log them in. For phones and tablets, the easiest option is the QR code method. First, have the other person download the official ExpressVPN app on their mobile device. Then, on your computer, sign in to your ExpressVPN dashboard and go to the section for setting up other devices, then choose phone and tablet. A QR code will appear on your screen. On their phone or tablet, they should open the app, tap sign in, and choose the QR code option. Then they simply scan the code from your monitor. If their device asks for permission to create a VPN connection, they should tap allow. If your household regularly hits the device limit, the best workaround is installing ExpressVPN on your router. Sign into your account dashboard, go to the router setup section, choose your router model, and download the firmware. Then open your router's admin page, find the firmware upgrade area, upload the file, and let the router reboot. After that, connect household devices to the router's Wi-Fi, go to the router setup page, and complete the on-screen setup using your activation code.